Before we write any code, let's think, what even is a variable? Think of a variable like a labeled box. You give the box a name, and you put a value inside it. Whenever you need that value, you just call the name. In Python, declaring a variable is simple. You write the name, then an equal sign, then the value. That equal sign is called the assignment operator. It assigns the value to the name. Here's an example. Name equals John Doe. Age equals 25. Python now knows that whenever you say name, you mean John Doe. There are a few rules for naming variables. First, names can only start with a letter or an underscore, not a number. Second, names can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. No spaces, no special characters. Third, names are case sensitive. Age, and age are three completely different variables. And fourth, you cannot use Python's reserved keywords as names. Words like if, class, or def are off limits. For names with multiple words, use underscores to separate them. This is called snake case. Now, every variable holds a value, and every value has a type. Python has several built-in data types you need to know. Integer, a whole number with no decimals. Float, a number with decimals. String, a sequence of characters wrapped in quotes. Boolean, either true or false. Then there are collection types. List, an ordered collection. Tuple, like a list but immutable. Set, unordered and no duplicates. Dictionary, key value pairs. And finally, none, a special value that means the absence of any value. Here's an important distinction. Mutable versus immutable types. Immutable means once the value is created, it cannot change. Integers, floats, strings, tuples, these are all immutable. You can point the variable at something new, but the original value itself doesn't change. Mutable means the value can be changed after it's created. Lists, sets, and dictionaries are mutable. You can add, remove, or update their contents. Python gives you two useful functions to inspect types. Type tells you exactly what type a variable is. Isinstance checks if a variable matches a specific type and returns true or false. Quick recap. Variables store values under a name. Every value has a type Python figures out on its own, and some types are fixed once created, while others can be changed. Next chapter, we go deep on strings, how to slice them, format them, and all the methods you'll use constantly.